Hi there! For today's read aloud, we will be reading the drama The Best Animal in the Forest, retold by Philip Simpson, illustrated by Joe Thapa. So, retold, what does that mean? I'll give you a moment to think about it. Retold. That means that Philip Simpson, he's not the one who came up with this original story. He got the story from, this story was written a long time ago, and he got this story and made it into his own, okay? So he rewrote it and changed a little bit of it, and he made it into his own version of The Best Animal in the Forest. So this story is a drama. Go ahead and take a moment and think back to what we talked about when it comes to drama. Okay, dramas are stories that are read and acted out. These last couple of days I've been reading different dramas, also known as plays, to you. I've been acting as all the characters, right? So what I'd like for you to look out for in today's drama is a setting where the story takes place, dialogue, or what the characters say to one another. Remember, dialogue is what? A conversation. So these characters are going to have dialogue between each other. They're going to have conversations between each other. Okay? And then the narrator. Remember, the narrator is not a character in the story, right? No. The narrator is letting the audience know the overview, what is happening, right? Okay. So, before we begin reading, I would like for you to take a moment and read the title, The Best Animal in the Forest, use the cover, and make a prediction. What do you think this story is going to be about? All right, once you have your prediction, maybe your teacher, if you're at school, can pause and call on two of you to share your prediction. Maybe if you're at home, you can either grab a stuffed animal, if there's an adult nearby, or if you have a sibling at home with you, maybe you can talk to them and tell them your prediction for this drama, The Best Animal in the Forest. If you need some time to do this, go ahead and pause the video. All right, The Best Animal in the Forest, retold by Philip Simpson, illustrated by Joe Thapa. Okay, what do we have right here? What is this called? This is a cast of characters, right? So all of these are going to be characters in this play or drama. Remember, they means the same thing. I keep going back and forth, but they mean the same thing. We have wolf, snake, dragonfly, frog, eagle, and owl. And then right here we have a little spot for a narrator, but we know narrator's not a character in the story. They're just the person that is telling the audience what is going on. They give us an overview. All right. Now that we've gone over the characters, let's begin our drama. So I'm going to do my best to kind of move myself out of the way, that kind of in the middle. Right there. Narrator. One evening, long ago, wolf, snake, dragonfly, frog, and eagle had a meeting in a clearing in the forest. They wanted to decide which one of them was the best animal. As soon as all the animals had arrived, Wolf turned to Snake and spoke first. Wolf: Hello, Snake. I am the best animal in the forest. I am better than you because I am a very fast runner. Watch me. And there goes Wolf. Snake: You are a good runner, Wolf, but I am better than you because you make too much noise. Watch me. I can move more quietly than you. And notice how all the animals are watching. Narrator: Snake slid in and out of the trees without making a sound. Narrator: As Snake finished, Dragonfly came forward. Dragonfly: That's nothing, Snake. I am the best animal in the forest because I can fly faster than any of you. Just watch me. And there goes Dragonfly, showing his skills. Narrator. Dragonfly flew into the air and began to dart around the trees. Her wings beat so quickly that they were a blur. Look at them, they're all watching. Narrator. Get out of the way. It was Frog's turn next. Frog. No one is better than me. I'm the best animal because I can jump the highest. So there Frog goes, and all the other animals are watching down below. Narrator. Frog sprang into the air with a great leap. He jumped far above the heads of the other animals. Narrator. As Frog fell to the ground, he just about landed on Eagle. Eagle. I'm better than all of you. I'm the best animal because I can use my huge wings to fly higher than any of you. Narrator. Eagle took off and flew high into the evening sky. He flew so high that the other animals lost sight of him. Okay, so far, Wolf, Snake, Frog, Dragonfly, and Eagle have all showed each other their skills, what they can do. So I would like to take a moment, and I would like for you to make a prediction on which animal do you think is going to be the best animal in the forest. You're using what you know so far to make your prediction. Okay, let's go ahead and move on. Narrator. After Eagle's flight, the animals all started talking loudly. Each animal thought they were the best in the forest. Wolf. Stop talking, everyone. I know what we can do. Let's talk to the wise old owl. He will decide which one of us is the best animal in the forest. Narrator. All the other animals nodded. They liked Wolf's idea. Now look, here's the wise old owl right here. Do you think the wise old owl was in the tree the whole time watching? Thumbs up for yes, thumbs down for no. Let's continue to read this drama to find out. Owl. Owl. I've been watching you for a long time. The noise of your loud voices woke me up. You could be heard all through the forest, so I flew down here to find out what was the matter. Snake. We need your help, wise owl. Please tell us which one of us is the best animal in the forest. Narrator. Owl thought hard for a while, and suddenly he spoke. Owl. You are all the best at what you do. Wolf is the best runner. Snake moves more quietly than any of you. Dragonfly can fly the fastest. Frog can jump the best. And Eagle can fly high into the evening sky. Snake. So who is the winner then? What do you think Owl's going to say? Here's another opportunity to make a prediction. What do you think Owl's answer is going to be? If you need more time for a prediction, just pause the video. Owl. You are all winners. None of you is better than the other. You all have one thing that you are good at. Now go back to your homes. Narrator. The animals did as they were told and left the clearing. They were all delighted that, in some way, they were the best animal in the forest. How are they the best animal in the forest? What do you think? What does that mean? I think that means that they each have their own skill that they're very great at. For example, Wolf can't go through the woods quietly, can he? No, he makes too much noise. Snake can go through the woods quietly. But can Snake go super fast like Wolf? Not as fast. And can the Wolf or Snake jump like the Frog? Can the Eagle fly fly like the dragonfly? They can all do something different, and they can all do it very well. That's what makes them all the best at what they can do. Okay? I hope you like this little drama over the best animal in the forest. So let's go ahead and go back real quick and name all the characters. Here we actually use this picture. We have the wolf, the eagle, the frog, dragonfly, snake, owl, and the narrator. Does the narrator count as a character? No, we only have 6 characters, and then we have the narrator, right? Okay. Go ahead and take a moment and think back to the setting. What was the main setting that kept popping up over and over again? The forest. They were outside in the forest, right? And did it seem like it was nighttime or daytime? Daytime. So where? In the forest. When? Daytime. Okay? And was there dialogue happening throughout this drama? There was. The different animals were talking to one another, right? Okay. Well, I hope you liked today's drama, also known as a play. And I hope you like the quick little review over the different parts of a drama, okay? On the next thing you're going to be doing, we're going to have a quick little reading discussion over today's drama.